Hey guys, welcome to RACZ Barbecue and Grill. My name is Rich and today we're going to be doing a smash burger. Caramelized onions, bacon, American cheese, sandwiched in between a nice onion bun. A little bit of homemade sauce. It's going to be incredible. So stick around and let's get cooking. Today we're going to be doing a smash burger on the flat top. You know, for those of you that don't know what a smash burger is, the rule of thumb is when you're making a hamburger on the grill, you don't ever smash it, right? The juices get out, and that's true on a grill. We're not working on the grill today, we're working on the flat top. If you're on the grill and you smash a burger, the cardinal sin, right? The juices come out, they hit the fire down below, it flares up, and you've successfully made yourself a nice couple of hockey pucks. We're not doing that today. We're doing it on the flat top. We're going to start off with a meatball, about 4 ounces. Let them sit on the flat top for a few seconds, then smash them down. There's nowhere for the grease to go. It sears the bottom of the patty. The grease is on the flat top. I mean, a pub burger has its place. I love them myself, but these smash burgers are phenomenal. They're just so juicy, so cheesy, just really, really incredible. So if you haven't tried a smash burger, follow along, give them a shot. I'm gonna get the bacon on the grill first because that takes the longest. No need for grease because bacon comes with its own grease, right? So we'll just get these on the flat top. This is my homemade bacon. That's why these things look so thick and wide. Are you kidding me? While the bacon is cooking, we'll get the patties ready. I have about 2 pounds of ground meat here that we're going to season up. And to our ground meat, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and the wind is blowing everything all over the place again, and about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I'm going to gently mix this up together. We don't want to pack it tight. We want the air gaps in between the strands of beef. And we're gonna make just 4-ounce patties out of this. I'm gonna use the kitchen scale because this makes it easier. There we go. That's 4 ounces. Slightly form it into a ball. And we'll continue on with the rest of them. Okay, we got our meatballs ready for the flat top. Not quite ready to drop them yet. We're still working on the bacon. So while we wait, we'll get our buns ready. And I have here some fresh made onion rolls from the local bakery. So we need to slice these open. These buns are phenomenal. I mean, you can smell the onion just cutting them open like this. Adds a little extra level of flavor to the entire burger. So I also want to toast these when it comes time. So instead of butter, I'm going to use some Duke's mayonnaise. Just on the inside. Oh, it's a wonderful scent. Get that all spread around the inside of the bun. Okay, the buns are ready. I'm going to set them to the side for now. Go over and check on the bacon. Yeah, the bacon looks just about done. Just give it a few more seconds. Bacon sits to the side. Next thing we're going to get ready is the sauce. Real mayonnaise, none of that Miracle Whip stuff. I like Duke's, if I have enough. Okay, well, as much as I like Duke's, I just ran out, and my wife has bought Heinz this time. So we'll go with what we have. Some mayonnaise. Next, we'll add some ketchup. Some spicy mustard. This is a Cleveland Indians. Probably not allowed to say Indians anymore. Cleveland Guardians. Stadium mustard. So spicy mustard. Whatever you have. and some garlic paste. And last but not least, some sweet relish. Just like that. And just give it a stir. And just give it a quick taste to make sure it's to our liking. Oh yeah, perfect. Good stuff, man. Get the top clean. So for a little extra kick and flavor, instead of putting down my normal canola oil, I'm going to use beef tallow. Just a nice light coating of it. This is what will give us that little extra kick of flavor. Now our meatballs. Next up, thinly sliced onions. We're just going to place them right on top, kind of press them in so they kind of stay in place a little bit for you. This guy over here needs a little bit more. Lots of onions. Don't be stingy. And now we smash. Push down, hold for about 10 seconds. There we go. Now we wait, give this a few minutes so we get a nice thick crust on the bottom of these. You'll see it when we flip them over. Nice golden dark crust, and that is our flavor. Okay, the burgers have been sitting for a few minutes. Time to give them a flip. You want to push down with your spatula and make sure you scrape up all that caramelization that we have going on underneath there. We don't want to lose any of that. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Now the onions will be able to caramelize. Push everything down to one side so we can get the buns on. Now we add our bacon. Rip these guys in half. Or we get a bite of bacon with every piece we put in our mouth. And now our cheese. Once melted, it'll be our glue for our patties and keep that bacon in place for us. God. The wind is blowing so hard today, it's blowing everything off of the grill. Cheese included. Alright. If the wind doesn't take things off the flat top here, we'll be good. Check our buns. Those are toasting up nicely. It's hot. Okay, burgers are coming off the flat top. The burgers are done. It's time to build this thing. We'll start with taking some of our homemade sauce and getting on the bottom piece of the bun nice and generously. Next, we bring over patty number one, just like that. Patty number two, some thinly sliced tomatoes. You don't want them too thick because you don't want to take away too much of the flavor of the beef. Have some shredded lettuce that I'm sure the wind is going to blow right off as soon as I put it on. More sauce on the top of the bun. And so she's a thing of beauty. That is just gorgeous. And of course, we have to test it. We've got to give it the taste test. Let's cut this open first. Look at that. Nice and cheesy and juicy. I'm excited to try this. These things are just incredible. Delicious. Unbelievable. I gotta take another bite. Alright, so that's a wrap, man. That's the smash burgers, caramelized onion, American cheese, bacon, homemade sauce on an onion roll. Delicious. It's fantastic. And so that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll put the recipe in the description below. And if you like the video, give it a like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to us. Hit that little bell notification so you get notifications every time we upload a new video. And once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.